Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to cancel your ChatGPT AutoPay subscription plan. So I have purchased the ChatGPT subscription plan via my UPI ID through Google Pay. Okay, if you also purchase your ChatGPT subscription plan through the UPI ID, you can follow the same process. Okay, so first open your UPI app. So I have purchased the ChatGPT with my Google Pay, so I will open the Google Pay in my phone. Okay, so the same process you can try on your iPhone as well. So I am using Android phone. After opening, go to your profile, and here you can get one option, auto pay. So just tap on it. Okay, here you can get the live subscription plan of $3.99 from Google, as you can see guys. So this is my ChatGPT subscription plan. So just open it, and here you can get the option cancel autopay. So just tap on it. After this guys, just need to enter your UPI ID to confirm and cancel this autopay subscription. Just enter your UPI pin and it will successfully stop auto renewing your ChatGPT subscription plan in future. So this is the easy and very simple method. Okay, so that's for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.